All right, so here are the instructions for the final assessment, DBQ. As you can see, make sure you put your name, date, and period number at the top. Right here you have the directions, which tells you exactly what I'm looking for. In the one paragraph response, you're going to discuss the historical context of West Africa in the post-classical era. You're going to write a thesis statement that asserts at least one change, which is a difference, and one continuity, which is a similarity, in West African culture with the rise of the trans-Saharan trade routes. Next, you're going to provide a paraphrased interpretation of at least 3 documents in support of the thesis. Please attempt to interpret as many documents as possible in support of the response. You already did that with breaking down all of the documents, documents A through E. Sourcing, analyze the historical context and or point of view of at least one of the documents. You've already done that. And provide a concluding statement that restates your thesis statement. So that's a conclusion statement. Here's the Dbq prompt. We've already broke down the prompt, so we already know what it is. Once again, it's to what extent did West African culture change or continue with the rise of the trans-Saharan trade routes? If you click on this link right here, it's going to just take you back to this page, which you guys already done already. Now, when you get down here, you'll notice that there's writing in blue. That's the writing. That's already the text that I put. You don't have to change that. If you want to, it's up to you, but that's your starter. All right, the words in red are the ones where you're going to enter and put your own information. Okay? So, for example, right here, it says, enter one interesting fact about the Sahara Desert or the trade routes. All you got to do is go back to your document, and then you can copy and paste your information. So you could say, so let's click here, whatever information you have here. The Sahara Desert, you could say, the Sahara Desert, whatever you wrote. You could say the Sahara Desert is the hottest place on the planet or something like that, right? Okay, you copy that, go here, and then you would paste it right here. All right, paste it right here, and then once you paste it right there, all right, then you once you paste it right there, then you're good. Now it flows with the article or with your DBQ. So you're just copying and pasting everything from here, and you're putting it in here, and you're following the instructions as you see it on your document. Now right here it says enter your central idea response from document A. This is where your assertion is, your thesis. This is the most important part to me. What you're going to do is you're going to go here, scroll down to document A. Now you can copy your central idea. Don't forget to add document A at the end if you did not already. Copy it. Go back here. Enter. And then go ahead. Make sure you fix up the periods and all that so that it, you don't have 2 periods or commas. And boom. So with the onset of the trans-Saharan trade routes, West African empires were influenced by Islam educationally and religiously. According to the map, the document shows continuity because the map is dated. So you want to just make sure that you have your dissertation. Now right here, this is the most important part. Your thesis, you need to tell me whether it changed or continued. What do you think was more prominent? Did you see more changes or did you see more continuity? And then once you tell me which one you chose, you have to explain why. That's your thesis. This whole area is your thesis. That's what I'm looking for. You can't tell me it's both. You need to tell me it's one or the other. Or if you do say it's both, you got to make sure that you back it up with, a good reason. All right, and you just follow that same format for the rest of the documents. Once you're done, you get down here, that's when you can start copying and pasting your whole essay. and you can do it one at a time. So once you fill out all the brackets, just right click, copy, go right here, paste, and you can start. Of course, you have to fix it up. Make sure you fix it up so it looks good. It has to be, it's going to be certain, like that. So, go. Bad. And then you're going to go here. Once you're done here, you're going to copy it. Right click, copy. Go down here. Create a new paragraph. So you're creating new paragraphs for each section. Make sure you put paste without formatting so that it looks, all the text looks good, okay? And you're just doing that throughout. Okay, it's really simple as that. You want to make sure you fill in these places in red. The blue is already written for you, and that's what I want it to do. I want it to flow like that. Okay, if you have any questions, of course, you can ask me again. But yeah, this is it. Thank you.